as you cast, you inform the population. So this is the press room. 60 meters length by around 30. They warm up. By the time they reach the pitch, they are ready for action. The material finish here is exactly like the one on the main pitch. We shall use the same grade of tartan here, and and it is a first-class grade, certified by FIFA. We have already done the pre-shipment visit to where they are made, and it is a certified company doing this. The CIS, this is supporting what? Sports company. So they are the ones doing this. So basically, we have been using it temporarily as a storage. And now chairs are fixed. It is now a free room. So that is all for this place. And this room you see here will be for storage of equipment. In case work is done now, this is where we shall be keeping all our Namboole maintenance equipment. Now, there's the service providers for the pitch use it as an office. And there's the other package there, pit moss. That's the fertilizer. It is something which makes fast growth of the grass we have there. It is a fertilizer used in the desert areas, Saudi Arabia. So because we have grown the grass on sand, we had to import the pit moss. Then these are some other chemicals we add in to ensure we nourish the grass. These are chemicals that are all important. So basically the purpose of this room is for storage of equipment after work. That is its purpose. Now this other place, this is where we store the water. These are water tanks. This is a 100,000 cubic meter tank. That every cubic meter is 1,000 liters, so you multiply. That is, if it is 100,000 cubic meter times 1,000 liters, this tank here, it is out of concrete. You can see how busy we are.